Are you planning a move from Florida to South Carolina? South Carolina offers incredible Southern hospitality, a rich cultural history, delicious food, and endless outdoor activities. But before you get too excited, it's important to prepare for your move. In this video, we'll walk you through the best tips, costs, and moving services to make your transition from Florida to South Carolina a breeze. When it comes to moving from Florida to South Carolina, one of the most important things to consider is the cost. Moving costs can range from $640 to $2,830, depending on several factors such as the distance, the size of your belongings, and the type of moving services you choose. Professional movers will typically provide an in-home estimate to give you an accurate price based on the volume and complexity of your move. Let's break down some average costs based on different locations in Florida. Jacksonville to Charleston, $2,358 to $6,449. Miami to Columbia, $2,914 to $8,231. Tampa to North Charleston, $2,600 to $7,226. Orlando to Mount Pleasant, $2,523 to $6,978. Of course, the exact cost will depend on your unique needs, but it's helpful to know what to expect before you start planning your move. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more moving tips and services. If you're moving from Florida to South Carolina, trust 3 movers to handle all your moving needs with professionalism and care.